Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain why you can no longer hide your YouTube subscriber count. As of July 2022, YouTube made a significant change, removing the option for creators to hide their subscriber numbers. This decision was implemented to foster greater transparency and combat impersonation, ensuring a safer and more trustworthy environment for all users on the platform. It helps viewers easily identify legitimate channels and avoid misleading content. While your channel's subscriber count is now always visible, you still have control over your personal privacy. You can choose to hide the channels you subscribe to. To do this, simply log into YouTube on a computer, click your profile picture, and select Settings. From there, go to the Privacy tab on the left-hand side. You'll find an option to toggle on Keep All My Subscriptions Private, ensuring your viewing habits remain confidential. For a more comprehensive privacy measure, you can temporarily hide your entire YouTube channel. This action makes all your videos, playlists, and content private, effectively removing them from public view. It's a useful option if you are rebranding your channel, taking a break, or simply want to start fresh. You can find this setting within YouTube Studio under the Channel section, then Advanced Settings, and finally remove YouTube content. YouTube's decision to make subscriber counts visible reinforces its commitment to transparency and trust. This helps viewers make informed decisions about the content they consume and reduces the risk of encountering deceptive channels. Remember, the key to long-term success on YouTube is consistently creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Your subscriber count, whether high or low, does not directly impact how the YouTube algorithm recommends your videos.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.